Welcome back, everybody, to the RV Dynasty YouTube page. Seth here. Today we're taking a look at some tips and tricks on shopping for an RV. Let's get to it. Today's tips and tricks, we are going to Google. We're typing in a brand of trailer, and then after that we're just typing RV. So I'm using Cherokee RV as an example, and then I'm going to scroll down to the Forest River website. And here you're going to find every single floor plan that Cherokee manufactures, along with a 360 view and specifications. And the reason why I'm showing you this today, showing you this tips and trick, is because you don't have to rely on dealers for all the information. Dealers sometimes can even give you the wrong information. So if you don't trust the dealer that you're working with, just go to the manufacturer's website. It has all the data on that unit right there from the source of the manufacturer on their website. And as I stated before, on this website, on Forest River's website, you can actually get a 360 view of the unit. You can kind of hop around in different directions. Like right now on this this 234 DC, we were saying living room, just hopped us over into the bathroom, and it has all the lights on. It can really show you what the inside of the unit looks like on this website from the manufacturer with the 360 view. And as I stated before, every manufacturer in the RV industry has a website like this. So it's not just Cherokee. You can go to, here's another example. Here's Riverstone. Here's a brand we carry at RV Dynasty. Same thing. Every brand, every manufacturer in the RV industry has this. It's a great tool to use to gain some knowledge and definitely help you in your search for shopping for an RV. Thank you for joining us here at the RV Dynasty YouTube page for tips and tricks, and we'll see you next time.